Hi guys, it's Lana here. Welcome back to Lana Summertime. I hope that you're all doing well. I have got something very new for me today. Today I'm going to try out the bowl method. And no, I don't mean a bowl haircut. I mean the bowl method for washing and styling curly hair. And if you guys don't know what this is, then you're not alone. I didn't know what this was for the longest time, but then I started to get a bunch of comments asking if I have ever done this, if I had a tutorial for this. So I decided it was time that I tried it out. So I have my little bowl. Let's head to my bathroom and try it out. So you can bring it into the shower, but this shower is over a bath, so I just thought this would be easier. You can obviously do this outside of the shower, but everyone says that that would be really messy. So this just, you know, you're not going to get any spillage and stuff because you're inside the bath, okay? You don't do the whole hair wash in the bowl, although I'm quite sure that you could. But every video that I've seen and every tutorial starts kind of like midway through your hair wash. I have shampooed my hair and I've conditioned my hair. I've detangled my hair and now my hair is wet plopping inside this cap. So I have my instructions right here. Let's talk about what the bowl method is. So it's basically just a method of styling your hair which involves reusing the same water so that you don't waste any water. Also, every time you rinse your hair, it's going to go into that same water and the product is going to go in there, and you're also not going to waste any product, and that product is really going to get every chance that it can get to sink into your hair. I hope that makes sense. Everything will be explained as I do it. I'm actually following Janelle O-Shaughnessy's video, which I will link down below. But in that video, she combines this bowl method with the ultimate hydration method, which also uses a bowl. So we are using the bowl for two steps: hydration and styling. Let's first get into the hydration aspect. I have my bowl, I have my cup, and I'm going to pour this over my head. It went all over my face. I don't like to have conditioner on my face. Maybe I need a bigger bowl. Okay, I'm kind of now just rinsing that out into the bowl. So the bowl has a mix of water and conditioner in it now. I'm going to squish that back into my head again. And what we're doing now is the squish to condish. So squish to condish is just kind of like a method of conditioning your hair. You're going to squish the conditioner into your hair. So it's really great at reaching into the cuticles of the hair. And it's really good if you have low porosity hair, because this is actually like, we're directly targeting those cuticles in the hair when we do this. It's really, really hydrating. And you're going to hear it squishing. Like, you guys can hear this squishing, right? And we're basically supposed to keep doing this until the hair feels like seaweed. So remember, seaweed feels like really soft and slimy. Like when you get it on your foot, you're like, ugh! This is giving me a neck ache though, can't lie. My fingers are feeling wrinkly and my hair is feeling squishy. It's supposed to be like a really easy method, but for me so far, I found it kind of like tricky. Okay, this is really aching my neck and my hair doesn't feel like seaweed yet. Does my hair feel like seaweed? I've forgotten what seaweed feels like. I feel like my fingers are so wrinkly, they wouldn't even know seaweed if I touched it. Does it feel like seaweed? Okay, no, I got it. It feels like seaweed. It feels like seaweed now. I got it. It's doing it. I think that means it's time to stop conditioning. The next step is styling. I think now we can discard this bowl of water. This bowl has got a ton of conditioner in it, and we can just put that away. That's done. You're done. You're done. And now we need some more water. I'm gonna try to stick to just like one measuring jug worth of water, because that's kind of like the whole point. So we're not supposed to be using very much. Go away. Oh my god, that's gonna swing back. Go away! I want it to be on that side. That works. Hopefully I didn't break it. One measuring jug worth of water, please, sir. And I'm pouring that into the bowl. And then I'm gonna take my hair gel, which for this particular wash, I'm going to use the TGIN Rose Water Curl Defining Styling Gel. I actually really like this. I'm going to take quite a lot because Janelle did. And I'm going to apply that to my hair. I'm kind of splitting my hair in half. That's how I usually do it. And for luck, I'm going to take 2 more. And then she kind of just scrunches this into the bowl. I'm also taking a spray bottle and I'm just going to spray my hair just to make sure that this product gets a chance to really get through my hair and doesn't just like dry out midway. And then scrunching, and you should still hear it being squishy. You can even put some gel into the bowl directly. You can mix this in with the water that's in there. And now I'm going to dip my hair into the bowl, and I'm going to do one side at a time. And I'm going to try to just dip one side in. Guys, who asked me to do this video? Who was it? I'm dipping. This feels like there was not enough gel in this water. I feel like I'm rinsing out all of the gel. This doesn't feel right. How can this be right? Why would you dip your head into the bowl? Those were the instructions I was given, guys. Now I feel like I want to put more gel in my hair because I'm so sure that I've just taken the gel out of my hair. And I want gel in my hair. You know? Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit more gel for luck because I feel like I need it. Also, my hair is looking kind of frizzy right now, and I don't think it's supposed to look frizzy, is it? Okay, now I'm just gonna squeeze all of the excess water out into the bowl so that my hair doesn't take forever to dry. We don't want to leave all of this water in my hair. You guys know the drill. Right now, I'm getting like wet frizz, and I don't get wet frizz, but I'm getting it today. Have I done something wrong? Like, what is this? You guys see this? In Janelle's video, she kind of just moved her head around. You want to make sure your hair doesn't get flat on the top. I've got a lot of moisture sitting on the top right here, so I'm just trying to get rid of that. But guys, like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hair looks kind of frizzy. This is not how I like my hair to look at this stage of my routine. Okay, so I'm gonna pull up my head, and I like to just tie it around my head like this. Lop the rest of it in. I can tie this back now. And now my hair is all kind of like on top, and it should dry nice and springy. I can throw away the rest of this water now. That's done. That's done. Goodbye. Oh my god, I forgot I was sitting in here. Okay, I'm done. Okay guys, so I have been plopping my hair for a couple of hours, and then I air dried for a little bit, and then I finished off with about 10 or 15 minutes of diffusing, and then I air dried for a bit more, and now I'm finally here with the final result to show you guys. So if you're ready and I'm ready, let's reveal. Okay, friends and family, it's Megan Bowen here, aka 저는 미국 사람 힘이다. That's not my intro, that's Megan Bowen's intro. I don't know if you're seeing what I'm seeing, but for me, it looks like I haven't styled my hair. My hair looks like I did nothing to it. It looks like I got no product on it. I don't know if you can tell. Let me come a little bit closer so you guys can see. My hair just looks quite undefined. I haven't actually even separated it yet. I'm scared to separate it because I feel like it's just gonna go frizzy. Now, I don't know whether that's because I did something wrong or it's just something to do with the method of diluting the product in so much water. I had a feeling when I was doing it, I felt like I didn't want to dilute my product. Like, I don't generally have a problem with the products being too heavy for my hair, and I feel like that method of diluting the products works best if you find that products are too heavy usually. But if you don't have that problem, you know, the old saying goes, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. My wash routine weren't broke, and I didn't need to fix it with no bowl. I do quite like when my hair looks like this. I quite like when my hair just looks kind of undefined and it's a bit fluffy. And I know that when I don't have any product on it, I know that it doesn't tangle as much. This is like very much in its natural state. My hair is probably just going to turn into a big blob of like undefined frizz after like 2 days, and that's kind of sad. This reminds me of being on holiday. I mean, it's nice. It feels very lightweight and it feels very free and it's got a lot of movement. And stuff like that, but we ain't on holiday. We are here in London. I want my curls to look popping for the city folk, and they're just not. Also, I feel like my hair is not very protected against the cold weather because there's no product on it. My general wash routine was not broken, so I don't see any reason to switch things up. Granted, I could try to find some ways to use less water, and I might incorporate a bowl in future, but not using the method that I followed for this video. For right now, the bowl is going in the bin. I do just want to make clear that I'm not blaming the bowl method for these results. I genuinely don't think I did it right, but at the same time, I don't necessarily think that this method is the best for me. So even though I don't really think it worked, I'm still happy that I tried this. You know, if you don't try, you'll never know. So yeah, just keep trying new things, just keep an open mind. That's the way I like to live my life. And if you guys have any ideas what I can try next, then just drop them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it and if you think you learned something, or if you just had fun, thumbs up the video. Also subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss my future uploads. Also get me on Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.